So now let's see how we can work around with the shear effect inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have this image right here, and let's say what I want to do is apply a shear effect to it. In that case, you can go around onto the effects menu and then go around over here onto let's say for example distort section, and here you can see that shear is an option. So once you go around onto shear, you can see that you get this line which is straight right now, but if I were to click and drag it, then you can see that the line actually goes again just like this and shears out right here, and then you can see that the image right here actually goes ahead and curves away. So the edit style right now is curve, but what you can also do is go for straight right here, just like this, and then you can go for horizontal shear or vertical shear, as you can see right here, and you can go ahead and add in the details as you like. So as you go for curve, you can see that you get a more curved line. Straight is more straight right here. Freehand is you can go ahead and make the shear right just like by drawing it right here, and you get the similar effect around over here just like this. And if you were to go to gamma right here, then you can see that I get more of this type of an effect. So if I were to go ahead right here, and then you can see that I can go ahead and scale it out according to how you like. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the shear effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.